Go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Select the circle. Make a circle here with 50 millimeters of diameter. Create another one with 60 millimeters of diameter. And now select the construction line type. Create a circle here with 75 millimeters of diameter. Okay. Select the line, construction line. Make a line here. Okay. Now select the circle again. Make a circle here with 10 millimeters of diameter. And create another one with 16 millimeters of diameter. Okay. I have this, okay. Now select line, make a line here, and make a line here. This line must be tangent with this circle here, okay. Go to construction, constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this point here, okay. And now go to sketch dimension, click here in this line, the angle here is 15 degrees, okay. Now select it, trim, cut this, and cut this. We have this sketch here, okay. Finish the sketch and go to Extrude. Sorry, you can cut one more thing here. Cut this edge here and this edge here. I forgot this. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile here, okay. Don't select this. And extrude this 20 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. Now show the sketch one again. Go to Extrude. Select this profile. Operation join. Extrude this 20 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. Hide the sketch one. We have this, okay. Now go to create a sketch, select the top plane again. Select the line, construction line. Make a construction line here with 50 millimeters. Okay. Now select the line again, make a line here. Remove the construction type, okay. Make a line here. And create another line here. Okay. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this point here. Okay. And now go to create, select arc, center point arc, click here in this point, make an arc here. Okay. Go to constraint, select coincident. This point must be coincident with this. Okay. And go to sketch dimension. The angle between this line here and this line here is 45 degrees. And the angle between both is 90 degrees. Okay. That's okay. You don't need this line, but okay. And go to sketch dimension, make your radius, go to constraint, select coincident, select this line here and this arc. Okay. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile. The start, select offset. The offset here is 5 millimeters. Operation cut. The distance is 10 millimeters. Okay, we have this here. And press OK. We'll have 5 millimeters here, 5 millimeters here. Let's expect this 5 millimeters, and let's expect this 5 millimeters too. Okay, and 10 millimeters here. Okay, select fillet, make a fillet here and here and here. The fillet here is 80 millimeters of radius. Press OK. Now select the fillet again, but here select full round fillet. Make a full round fillet here. At selection set, make a full round fillet here, and press OK. We have this. OK. Now go to create and select the pattern, circular pattern. The object type is the features. In the object, we'll select the extrude, this cut, and the both fillet. Okay. The axis, selected this axis here. The quantity is 3 and distribution full. Press OK. We have this, and here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. Bye bye.